friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we are planning the week of April 4th through the 10th in my Plum paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for this week I am planning with Fern Creek Stickers. This is kit 106. It's called Twilight Garden. This was a kit that I believe I received as part of the PR team. Elizabeth was so amazing. She would send us PR packages to kind of highlight and showcase new kits coming out. And so this was one of them. I think it was actually sort of like for February, but I just thought it was gorgeous. I think it's perfect for any time of year. And you know me and my florals. So let me go through what I have here. So we've got the full boxes. We've got the washi. Look at how beautiful all of this is. I love this. So pretty. And then we have the essentials sheet. That's a gorgeous box there too. And then I have the extras for Plum and then some additional appointment labels. So we are just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put these aside here. I'll start with the washi. This is really pretty. I love this, so gorgeous. So I feel like we've skipped spring, or we had maybe just a short period of spring. And today the weather was like hot, like a summer day. So it's kind of crazy. Although I do hear that we're supposed to get back into the cold weather next week, so we're just kind of all over the place here where I live. Let me know what your weather is like where you are. If you're into spring, are you still in the middle of like cold? Is there snow still in places? Maybe far up north. Elia, let me know what the weather is like for you up in Canada. Anyways, so I'm kind of sniffly. I apologize, friends, but it's the allergies. We've had we've had wind, which is not usual where I live. And so it's just really getting to everybody. It's funny because everybody at work is suffering from allergies and we're all kind of, it's allergies, it's not COVID, I'm fine. But yeah, it's just sort of the perks of living where there's a lot of pollens and mature trees and shrubbery and that kind of thing. But it's fine. This is so pretty. I love these colors. I love the dusty mauve kind of colors here. So just trying to get all of these down. It has been so busy with work. It's exciting to be busy again. Like I kind of forgot what that was like. So it's been kind of neat. Okay, ooh, that is really pretty. Okay, so now to highlight my walk area, let's see. Let me pull a Tombow. Alrighty, so I pulled number 761. It's not quite my usual dusty rose color, but I thought it blended pretty well if you look at like this color here. So we're just gonna go ahead and highlight this space for my walks. I've been pretty much just walking on the weekends. It's just been easier for me. I don't like getting up and walking in the dark anymore. So I'm just kind of doing what I can. And now that it's lighter later in the evening, I find that I can do it after work sometimes too, before I walk Otis. Walking Otis is not my exercise walk. He is way too slow for that. Okay, so now what do I want to do? I could probably use this floral here or this dark. I kind of like this dark one because there's the dark background of that floral. So I'm going to kind of do this one here. I think I like the way that'll look. So I just need to get through the next couple of weeks and then I think I'll have a brief little, I'll still have things going on. I just have a couple events in May, but there's not as big an event. So I think it'll be a little bit easier for me to kind of just get everything done here with my channel and all that. And maybe I've been trying to be a little more active on my social media, on Instagram. Okay, so yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get back to that. So my to-dos are from Fern Creek Stickers as well. So I'm just gonna put these all the way across. Okay, so I have all those there. Okay, so now let's put down my little checklist. So I always cut these down to 3 or 4. So I'm going to do 4 for this week because I anticipate being a little bit busy. We've got things to prepare for junior prom and senior ball. The girls have their dresses. Well, at least Emma has both her dresses, but Sophie doesn't have both of hers, so I need to do that. I'm going to skip and put Thursday here because I'm going to use this one on Wednesday. Whoops. So we have to get dresses into the alterationists to be hemmed and straps to be shortened. One of Emma's dresses, though, fits her so beautifully she doesn't even need to have it altered. So that was a struck of good luck. I'm just going to put this back here. Okay, so there are my little to-dos. I love these colored boxes that Elizabeth has in her kits. They're so cute. Okay, so now, oh, I really want to use this one. I love this. This is so pretty. I'm going to use this one up here, and then I think I'm going to go really dark, or maybe I'll go lighter with this one. I don't know, friends. We'll have to choose between this one or this one. I could put this one here and then this one down there, but I like this one too. Oh, there's too many to choose from. Maybe, okay, this one is just so dynamic. I'm gonna have to like do another week or something with this kit so that I can use all of these beautiful washies. I always like to put the darker one down on the bottom. I don't know why. I feel like the darker color just kind of anchors more. Like it just kind of gives weight to the bottom of my spreads. That's something like that my mom always talks about when she's designing her quilts and things, about just where she puts light versus dark colors and kind of where it adds weight to the design. So let's go ahead. Oh, good choice. I like this one. I like it here. Okay, so we got that. And then while I'm at it, where's that weekend banner? I might as well put this down. Oh yeah, I like how this is kind of a dark blue on this more kind of lighter background. That looks really good. Oh, I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna move over to the sidebar and I'm gonna highlight the week that we're in. Okay, and then we're gonna build from the bottom up. So in terms of full boxes, we have all these beautiful ones here, and then we have this one here. I like how these are all like one specific floral or kind of leaf pattern. So I think I might put this one over here. And then of course I'm gonna use this dark single strip. So I like the way the dark will bounce off of the kind of lighter background of that box. So that's what I'm gonna do, friends. Okay. So Otis has started a new diet. We're doing an allergy food trial. And so we're seeing how this goes. So what it is it's hydrolyzed protein. And I'm not even sure I know what that means. But basically it's a single source of protein. And he has the salmon flavor because I just have been giving him salmon pretty much all his life. So there's no chicken or no beef because those are the two proteins that tend to be kind of higher in allergens for dogs. So we'll see how he does with that. We're just getting started on that. So, okay, I'm going to put down one of these Orange Umbrella Co. habit boxes, and I'm looking at the full boxes, just trying to get a gauge on whether I want to go like this lighter color or one of these two darker ones. I feel like I kind of want to go, I like this one a lot. I think I'm going to use this one. I love having all of the different colors in those sheets. Sorry, I just need to move some things around here. And I'm just going to put this here. Okay, and then I have all of my habits from Saya Planning, so I'm going to go ahead and put those down. Reading, I am pages away from finishing the Friend Zone. So I'm hoping to finish that this weekend because I bought, normally I don't buy books, but I bought When Life Gives You Lululemons. It was such a cute title, a play off of Lululemon. So I bought that. It's from, oh gosh, what's her name? The author that wrote The Devil Wears Prada. So I really love that movie. And I did like the book. So I am going to be reading that. Okay, so now I want to do my this week, which is right here. And I love putting it on these flags. I think I'm going to go with this little bit brighter, lighter blue. Okay, let's put this down. Okay, that looks good. And then for this week, we've been doing track. And Emma's back on a more routine soccer schedule. And that is Tuesday, Thursday, and okay. So those are kind of the things that are happening throughout the week. And then let's move down and we'll go ahead and do the bottom. And I am going to use this dark one down here. Oh, I like that. I like the lots of floral look. Heavy floral. Okay, turn the book around. Oops. Okay. Okay, so that's that. And down here, I've been recording my rings. And so I've been using the clean color dots for that. And I think the colors are the green, blue, and a red. I have to pull the red from my other pack. And let me take a look at my watch. I think, yeah, it's red, green, blue. Okay, so what I've been doing is just putting the little dot for the ring down here. I didn't think of this the first time I planned with, let me see, I forget what color, green's next. The first time I planned on putting this, but I went in afterwards as I was filling it in. I was like, oh, I should use my little dots so that I know like which ring. So that's what I started doing. So there's that. Okay, so now I think we're ready to get into the meat of the plans. Let's see, what do I have? So starting on Monday, I've got a 2 o'clock meeting. So I'm gonna put this down here towards the end of my day. And then on Tuesday, there's a lot going on. I've got a morning meeting. And then, let's see. And then there's another, let's see. Where did my little appointment labels go? Here they are. Okay. Let's see, okay. I'm gonna put this here. Oops. And then on Wednesday, we've got my normal staff meeting. So I'll put this here. This color is so pretty. And I'm gonna pull out my ever-changing plan sheet. And I think I'm gonna go with this really dark plum. Kind of like this. I'm gonna put this one here. That looks good, I like that. And then, what else do I have? I feel like I have a lot. And then I have a lunch date My girlfriend is taking me out to lunch for kind of like a belated birthday lunch, so that'll be fun. And then I go to the dentist. The dentist doesn't bother me, friends. I'm not afraid of the dentist. Let me know if you are. I know a lot of people, that's not their favorite place to go, but I like the dentist. I'm actually starting with a new dentist too, so I'm kind of excited about that. And then let's see, I have an 11 o'clock on Thursday. So I'll put this down here. And then on Thursday, oh, we also have a going away. Let's see, I think I'm gonna use this one. Maybe I'll bring this one in since I didn't use that washi. So down here, I'm gonna have a late night. And let's see. I'm looking for one of my time stickers to see if I have a 4 o'clock left. I might not. Oh, there's one. Okay, so we have a farewell party. Okay, there's that. And then we are, let's see, Friday, I don't think I have any meetings planned, but we are going to be heading out. I'm just gonna put a sticker there. And then we have Saturday morning. We have something going on here. So I don't want to write it in. I'll do that off camera. So I'm going to leave that like that. And then I think that's it. Let me take a look at all of the scripts. I am going to do we have a payday? No, we did not have a payday. Oh, I like the little paw. I want to put, I love this blue. It looks great with that habit tracker box. And then trash day, let's put this here, put it there. And we don't have recycle because we did that last week. And then I don't have any birthdays. I think that's it. Since I'm not tracking meals, I don't need to use those little icons this week. So yep. Now let's see, I do want to put my little Saya Planning custom scripts for Otis's meds. I'm hoping that we figure out if he has any food allergies. The thing with doing a food trial is it might not determine anything. He might not be allergic to food. It might actually just be environmental. So we'll have to just kind of see, but I'm hoping that we figure something out. I feel like I used to always give his medicine to him in the little greenies pill pockets, and I stopped doing that. And I feel like even stopping that, he's gotten a little better, like he's licking his paws less. So we'll see. We shall see. Okay. So I think that's it. Oop, that's not stuck down all the way. All right, friends. I think that's the base of my week. I'm so excited. So I've got lots of cute decorative boxes, a couple more functional things. I've got, let me pull these little extra dealies off. I've got washi here, which is great. 2 strips of each of these. And then of course I have all of my wonderful full boxes that I'll fill in as I go. And then lots more appointment labels and even some more checklist and cute little asterisks, little icons. Alrighty, friends. So let me just take one last look. I think that's it. All right, friends, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.